Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to bookmark website in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your app screen, and you can see in my phone default browser is Google Chrome. So just open the Chrome browser and then open the website that you want to add it on the bookmark list. If I open this, now from here, if you want to add this website to your bookmark list, just tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. And here at the top you can see star icon. Now to add this website to your bookmark list, you have to just tap on this star icon. And it's done. You can see the website has been added successfully on the bookmark list. Now if you want to find your bookmark website, just open a new tab. Then tap on three dots. And here you can see bookmarks option. Then just tap here. Then tap on mobile bookmarks. And that's it. And that is how you can bookmark website in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.